Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Isha and welcome to this side of my room, which is my workstation. Kaya ako nandito because I want to start a new series sa channel ko, which is Tech Tuesday. And kaya Tech Tuesday naisip ko kasi nakita ko na yung last upload ko ng techie stuff, which is the unboxing of my iPhone 11 Pro Max, ay nag-fall sa Tuesday. But for this series, hindi naman ako every Tuesday mag-upload ng mga techie stuff. Parang basic techie stuff lang na kaya nyong gawin. And these are not so technical na pwede mong gawin or para mapadali lang yung everyday use mo with your technologies. So for this tips and tricks, hindi lang naman siya to maximize your iPhone 11 Pro Max, but you can also use it using your older version of iPhone. For me, that is my iPhone 6s Plus. And yung ibang tips and tricks ko na ito ay nagagawa ko na sa 6s ko. Pero yung ibang kakalala ko, hindi pa nila nagagawa sa newer version nila ng iPhone. So, gusto kong i-share sa inyo yung mga tips and tricks ko. So, for the first 7 is the things that I've known before. And then the next 7 is I've learned by researching, watching YouTube videos, and whatever, on how to maximize my iPhone 11 Pro Max. Kasi feeling ko, yung mga nagagawa ko sa 6S ko, yun na yung magagawa ko dito. So, ano pang pwedeng ibang gawin pa para mas sulit ko yung binayad ko dito. So, without further more chikahan, let's move on to the tips and tricks on how to maximize your iPhone. So, the first thing that I'll be sharing with you is I think alam nyo na nag-update kayo ng iOS 13. At yun ay pwede mong gawing dark mode yung phone mo. Parang messenger lang na pwedeng dark mode. But these are for people na gusto dark yung phone nila kasi medyo masakit sa mata pag bright. So, first thing you're going to do is go to settings. And then go to display and brightness, which is right here. Basically, ganyan yung itsura ng phone natin normally. Pero pwede mo rin siya nga i-change to dark para hindi mas masakit sa mata. Normally, what I do is just click automatic. And then, pwede mong gawing option is depende sa schedule. Kunwari, ang oras ng light appearance is 7 to 5 p.m. Then, when it comes to 5:01 p.m. to 6:59 a.m., dark pa siya. But for me, I like to put it on sunset to sunrise para it depends talaga sa light outside. But you can also manually adjust it dito sa control center by dragging it down. And ayan yung kanyang logo. So pag naka-light, it's dark mode. Pag tinanggal natin, it's light mode. But for me, I like it in dark mode para hindi masakit sa mata, lalo na pag dilim lahat ng ilaw. So that is my tip number 1. Moving on to tip number 2, it is the do not disturb mode ng phone mo. So basically, pag naka-turn on siya, walang notification, walang tawag, walang text message, or whatever na ma-receive ka. So basically, parang naka-silent yung phone mo, pero hindi magpa-pop up any notification na meron. So like the dark mode, you have to go to settings, and then go to do not disturb. And for me ngayon, naka-do not disturb dahil for the sake of this video na walang lalabas na any notification habang nagbe-video ako. So that is the normal setup of the do not disturb settings. But what I highly recommend is to click the scheduled button and just schedule it to your normal sleeping time para wala magde-disturb sa'yo, walang notification, walang tawag, lalo na kunwari kapag panggabi ka. Then, pag umaga, maraming notifications like email, text, or whatever. And just like me na mababaw yung tulog ko, nagigising ako even sa text message lang, I would highly put this do not disturb quiet hours. And for me, that is 3 a.m. to 7 a.m. But you can adjust this to whatever sleeping time you have. Pwedeng 1 a.m. until gising mo ng 5 a.m. kunwari. So, that is the do not disturb mode. And pwede mo siyang gawin kunwari, naka-do not disturb ka, pero kapag naka-open yung phone mo or naka-unlock, pwede mong makita pa yung mga notifications. But kunwari, gusto mo kahit naka-open yung phone mo ng ganyan, wala kang ma-receive na notifications or kahit tawag, then click the always. But for me, gusto ko lang siya ng while iPhone is locked. So, pag hindi ko ginagamit yung phone. Also, kung importante kunwari, pwede mong gawin na yung allow calls from your favorites. Pag naka-do not disturb ka, sila lang yung makakatawag sa'yo or makaka-go through sa phone mo. Or you can check no one, wala talaga makakatawag sa'yo. Or pwedeng kahit sino tumawag. But ano nga bang sense nun kung naka-everyone? So what I do click is favorites lang. Tapos, ilagay mo lang sa favorites, kunwari your family, para just in case of emergency, matatawagan ka pa nila. But, if they are not in your favorites, or pag no one yung kinlik mo, etong repeated calls, na pag tinawagan ka nila ulit for the second time, within 3 minutes, mag-a-appear na yung tawag mo, or matatawagan ka na nila with notification, so naka-check yan, just in case importante nga yung tawag. And, ayan, that is the do not disturb mode. Moving on to the third tip that I would highly suggest to you is to use the assistive touch. So, ito yung assistive touch, yung bilog na yan. But yung iba kasi hindi ina-activate yan. But to activate it, go to settings and then click on accessibility and click on touch. So, ayan, pinakaunahan is the assistive touch. So, I highly suggest na i-turn on mo siya. Then, meron pang mga custom actions right here that you can use. Like yung single tap, naka-open menu. Ibig sabihin, pag kinlik mong isang beses, ayan, mag-open siya. Then also, meron ding for double tap and long press na settings. Double tap, marami kasing choices for that gesture. For me, ang ginawa ko is to lock screen. So, basically, if I tap this assistive touch twice, like so, maglalak yung phone ko. So, hindi ko na kailangan i-press lagi itong power button to open. May mga problems sa iPhone before na nagsa-stuck yung open button right here at ayaw niya nang ma-open. So, yun yung ginagawa ko. Just double tap the assistive touch. And then, the last one is the long press. Ganon din naman yung mga choices. But for me, ang choice ko is to screenshot. So, hindi mo na kailangan mag 1, 2, 3, 4 na pindot para lang mag-screenshot or itong dalawa sabay for screenshot. Pwede mo na lang i-long press to, then it would take screenshot na. So, mas mabilis. But, ikaw kung ano mas gusto mo ditong gamitin, okay lang, basta i-maximize lang natin yung use ng assistive touch. Moving on to the fourth trick, feeling ko alam nyo na rin to, but I will just open notes and create a new note para mapakita sa inyo. So, basically, if you type, ganyan. And you want to go dito, kunwari sa gitna, tas ang hirap, diba? Pwede mo na lang i-haptic touch yung space para ma-place mo yung cursor wherever you want dyan. So, yun lang yung tip number 4 ko para hindi ka mahirapan mag-place saan ba dyan yung i-edit mo or tanggalin mo lahat. Pwede rin sa keyboard actually is yung mag-type ka ng swipe mo lang dito. Like example, I would like to type where are you? So, swipe mo lang ng ganyan. Diba? Madali na. Now, on to my 5th tip. Habang nasa notes tayo, alam niyo ba na pwede na mag-scan ng document dito lang sa mismong app ng notes at hindi mo na kailangan mag-download ng iba pang app or maghanap ka pa ng scanner to scan? So basically, you just click this button right there, which is camera, and click scan documents. And I'll try to scan it with this paper right here. And just click it. And tapos, ida-drag mo to wherever you want to scan. Like that. And keep scan. O, diba? Ang galing. So, na-scan niya yung document at hindi mo na kailangan ng iba pang app to do that. Kahit yung napakahabang app na parang whatever document, kaya niyan. Or even IDs para flat. Yung pag-picture ng ID, pwede rin dyan. And while nasa notes tayo, alam nyo ba na pwedeng ilak isang note? Kunwari, yung where are you done natin, back tayo sa mga notes, and i-haptic touch lang natin siya to lock note. Tapos, pwede siyang ma-open by your Face ID or pwede rin through password. Ayan, nakalock na siya. Nakalock na yung note. So, view note, kailangan may Face ID pa. So, when I put my face, try again. Ayan. May kita na natin yung note. Ang cool, diba? So, kung gusto nyo mag-save dyan ng mga password nyo, kunwari sa email, or kung anong mga sekreto na nandyan, then go ahead and lock your notes para hindi makita ng ibang tao when they open your phone. And the last tip and tricks that I know even before pa ako nag-iPhone 11 Pro Max na nagagawa ko na sa aking 6S is this app right here, which is the app Find My. So basically, if you have more than one Apple product, pwede mong makita through the Find My. So it is a combination of Find My iPhone and Find Friends. So yan na yung isang app. So when you open the Find My app, so may kita kung nasan yung mga Apple products mo. So ayan, my phone, and then my iPad, ayan, and then my 6S and my MacBook Pro, ayan, nandyan sila lahat. So, pag magkakalayo, makikita nila. And also, if you're that kind of family na gusto malaman yung location ng isa't isa, na parang di na magpaalam, and halos lahat naman kayo ay naka-iPhone, then, go to people right here. Ayan, makikita mo kung nasaan yung mga tao. So, andyan yung mommy ko, and also yung aking lola, ayan, naka-iPad kasi siya. Makikita mo na nandun siya sa UK. So, that is super cool actually. And ayan, ayan yung aking device. Syempre, binlur ko na para hindi nyo makita kung nasan ako nakatira. So, that is it for my tips and tricks na alam ko na way before I got this new phone na nagagawa ko na even with my iPhone 6S right here. So, moving on to the tips and tricks that I didn't know before na nalaman ko na lang because I wanted to research kung ano pa yung pwede kong gawin sa phone ko na hindi ko pa nagagawa sa 6S ko right here. So, first is, let's go back to notes dahil may ipapakita ko sa inyo. Alam nyo ba na maraming pwedeng gawin sa 3 fingers lang? So, basically, we just select all. So, we just have to pinch with 3 fingers. Tapos, pinch out with 3 fingers to paste. Cool, diba? And then, when you swipe to left, it will undo. And if you swipe 3 fingers to the right, it will redo. Diba ang cool? Sobrang bilis na ng pag-type with just 3 fingers. And then, the next tip that I've learned, kasi itong tip na to ay hindi pa pwede sa 6S, na pwede mo lang gawin from iPhone X to the latest iPhone. And it is just to swipe this bottom section right here to the right or to the left para mag-switch through the apps. So, when you switch like that, makikita mo yung mga apps na bukas. O, diba? Ang bilis, hindi mo kailangan mag-swipe pataas to drag kung ano yung app na gusto mong puntahan. So, swipe lang na pag ganyan. Then, you'll be in the app. And then, the next one is when you go to Safari. Then, kunwari, we'll just search for a page right here na meron ako. Ano ba? Kunwari, this one. We can just screenshot it. Yung kanina, long press na lang to screenshot. When you open it, pwede mo palang ma-screenshot yung buong page na. At hindi mo na isi-screenshot part by part to see. And then, you just have to save it as a file or you save it as a PDF. So, when click done, ayan, save PDF to files. And while we're here sa Safari, alam nyo ba na pag itong back, nilong press nyo, makikita nyo yung mga before na sites na pinuntahan nyo. So, for example, let's go to this. Sinerch ko kasi yung itsura niya at sinend ko sa mommy ko na papabili ako. So, pag pinindot nyo to ng matagal, yung back, makikita nyo yung mga pinuntahan yung websites before. At hindi na yung pindot-pindot ng back para makita nyo yung mga pinuntahan nyo. Yun lang, yung history. And then, kapag nilong press mo rin yung forward naman or next page, makikita nyo rin yung mga pinuntahan nyo na after ng page na yan. Next tip na feeling ko super cool din is, you can triple tap your power button right here. And to activate it, you just have to go to settings again. And then go to accessibility ulit. Then, accessibility shortcut, yung pinakababa. And ayan, configure and then triple click the side button to toggle accessibility features on and off. Ako, ang ginawa ko is just to turn on the voice control. Pwede rin kasing walang ganon, pwedeng ganyan. So, basically, when I triple click, makita mo dun sa ibabaw na yung voice control ko ay activated na. And speaking of voice control, let's go ahead and go back to settings again and accessibility and go to voice control right here and just turn it on. Now, the cool thing about the voice control is pwede mo siyang gamitin by using your voice to control your phone, basically. And this is very helpful for people na nagda-drive at kailangan mag-phone, na hindi na nila kailangan tumingin sa cellphone at pindutin yung cellphone to activate whatever control. Or kunwari, nagluluto ka at madumi yung kamay mo, hindi mo na kailangan maghugas, magpunas ng kamay to click your phone. Pwedeng voice-activated na lang yung mga control sa phone. So, for example, let's just go home. See? Pumunta na siya without me touching the phone. And, kunwari, let's go open Spotify. Ayan, na-open na yung Spotify. Tapos may mga apps naman na kunwari Spotify, hindi ko pa alam kung paano talaga siya gawin with the voice command. So, what I would do is just show grid. For example, I would like to play dun sa today's top hits. So, sabihin ko na lang na top 19. And then, show grid. Top 18. And basically, nagpe-play na kagad yung phone. Another example is you can take screenshots with this. So, take screenshot. Ayan, nag-screenshot na siya without me touching the phone. So, that is super cool. I think pwede rin to call or to text. So, that is it for voice control. And let's try the voice control para sa ating 14th tip, which is, alam nyo ba na pwedeng mag-hide ng photos? Open photos. Then, kunwari, yung screenshot natin kanina, this one gusto mong i-hide. So, you just have to show grid. Tap 33. And then, just scroll down. And, ayan, makikita mo na yung hide button. And just hide photo. At ngayon, wala na siya dyan sa ating recents or even sa photos right here. Wala na siya dyan. But it is, nandyan pa rin naman siya. Naka-hide nga lang. You just have to scroll and then, ayan, may hidden tayo dito. This one, yung hinide natin, nandyan siya. So, kunwari may picture kayo ng jowa mo na ayaw mo ipakita sa family mo, pwedeng nandyan lang. And ako, hinide ko lang to. This is my wallpaper. Or ano bang tawag doon? Lock screen. Kaya nandyan lang siya. And, ayan. Nilock screen niya na sinabi ko pala yung lock screen. And you can unhide it naman. By doing the same thing, then unhide. So, wala na siya dyan sa hidden folder. But it is in the albums na ulit. So, there. Now, on to the last tips and tricks that I know that is very useful naman is, alam na naman na pwedeng mag-live photo, diba? So, ayan, naka-on lang yung live. And then, just click. Kunwari, gagalaw ako dito. Ayan, click natin. So, that is live na. Kunwari, gagalaw ako dito. Ayan, click. Ayun, diba? So, live siya. So, before, I would use a different app, another app to save it as a video. But pwede mo na siyang gawin dito mismo sa photos na app. So you just have to tap share and then go down and pwede mo na siyang i-save as video. So the next one is the video now with sound pack. And that is very useful, lalo na kapag nagpipicture ka ng bata. So that is my 15 tips and tricks on how to maximize your phone na pwede mong rin gawin even on your low models like 6S. So that is about it for my tips and tricks on how to maximize your iPhone. Mapa newest version pa yan or older version, pwede mong gawin tong mga parang hacks. Thank you very much for watching this video. And if you enjoyed this video or find this video helpful, then hit the thumbs up button. Comment down below kung ano na yung mga tips and tricks dito na nasabi ko na alam nyo na before and kung ano yung mga gusto nyong gawin pa na nasabi ko rin. And if you want to know more tips and tricks on how to maximize your phone, your laptop, your iPad, your camera, or whatsoever tips and tricks, then hit the subscribe button down there and hit the notification bell para ma-notify you whenever I upload videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!